Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Tanner and welcome back to yet another video. I've got a pretty interesting one for you today as it is something that is being regularly spoken about more and more often. It is all to do with decentralized exchanges. I'm going to be giving you a very educational and informative video on what a decentralized exchange is. During a time of a lot of regulatory uncertainty, decentralized exchanges are definitely coming into the scene. You're getting quite a lot of them come out as well. Things such as PancakeSwap, Uniswap, 1inch as well are some of the most popular ones out there. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you everything about decentralized exchanges, or also known as DEXs. So they've been coming up quite often in the crypto world. And again, a lot of people don't really understand what they mean. So I'll be covering that in today's video. As per usual, guys, please be sure to leave a like down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure your bell icon is turned on to be updated whenever I upload these videos. As I always say too, this will be available on our website, on our Crypto Bible website. You can simply download this presentation if you ever missed the video or you want to go back to it. As well as finding on the website, you can see our videos. All of our video uploads are on there. All the latest news is there as well. So please be sure to check that out. And without further ado, guys, let's get into it. So what is a decentralized exchange, or a DEX? As you can see, PancakeSwap, 1inch and Uniswap being most popular ones there on the screen. Decentralized exchanges allow people to swap crypto tokens directly with each other. They have some advantages over centralized crypto exchanges and some drawbacks, and we'll be covering that in today's video too. A decentralized exchange, or a DEX, is a place where people can go to trade cryptocurrencies without an intermediary. To better identify what a decentralized exchange is, it's important to first understand how centralized exchanges work. So how do centralized exchanges work? A centralized exchange, such as Binance or Coinbase, is a site or app where people can buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies and tokens listed on that exchange. Let's say you wanted to buy some Bitcoin. You can go to an exchange, sign up by providing some banking details and identifying information, and deposit some cash. Sometimes this process takes days, which is one drawback of centralized exchanges versus decentralized exchanges. The exchange will tell you the price based on an order book of people's buying and selling different amounts, and you can make the transaction. So what happens next? The exchange will show you those Bitcoins in your account or cryptocurrencies. You can trade for other tokens on the exchange, but you don't really hold them because you're entrusting the exchange to act as a custodian on your behalf. Any trading you do, like swapping Bitcoin for Ethereum, aren't occurring on the blockchain, but within the exchange's database. Exchange pool uses cryptocurrencies into wallets, often hot wallets connected to the internet, controlled by the exchange. The exchange controls your private keys. There are ways around this, as exchanges allow you to transfer your tokens to a private wallet, but this adds an extra step later on if you wish to trade that crypto. The appeal of decentralized exchanges, DEX advocates say, it's security. A centralized exchange can limit your access to your crypto, restrict or halt your ability to trade it, or even fall vulnerable to hackers. On the other hand, centralized exchanges are generally far easier to use for newcomers, and they can often offer fast trading because they're not beholden to blockchain infrastructure. This has been Coinbase's biggest achievement, making itself the household name in the US for crypto-curious folks looking to dip a toe into buying crypto, but intimidated by the process. For those people, letting Coinbase or any other centralized exchange act as a custodian of their funds is just fine. So how do decentralized exchanges work? A decentralized exchange uses smart contracts, automatically executed protocols, to facilitate trading between individuals but doesn't take control of their coins. Decentralized exchanges handle this in one of three ways: an on-chain order book, an off-chain order book, or an automated market maker approach. In an on-chain order book, every transaction is written onto the blockchain. That's not just the actual purchase, but also its request to purchase or cancel an order. It's ultimate in decentralization, but the need to put everything on a blockchain can make it more expensive and slower. So what are the advantages of decentralized exchanges? Well, they're private. Decentralized exchanges don't ask American citizens or anyone else to provide private information such as social security numbers or addresses that centralized exchanges are compelled to require as part of Bank Security Act. Thus far, because these centralized exchanges don't take control of assets, they've fallen outside such regulations. They've also got lots of options. So decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap allow anyone to create a token pair. You can mint a new token and start swapping it for a friend's token instantly. In this way, DEXs allow people to own tokens to use in decentralized finance, or also known as DeFi, services that allow them to save, borrow, lend, or trade without going through a bank or other financial institution. They are also less risky. Since your coins aren't being held in a centralized exchange, but in a wallet with private keys you hold, you're immune to hacks. And even though centralized exchanges can go down for maintenance, on a decentralized exchange, you can keep trading it. However, there are disadvantages as well. So what are they? Well, there's no link to bank cards. Decentralized exchanges only work with cryptocurrency assets and not fiat like USD or pounds, as enabling crypto to fiat would require involvement with banks. Dollar transactions can't settle instantly like blockchain-based ones. Therefore, you have to already have cryptocurrency assets in order to use a decentralized exchange. They are also very complex. So Uniswap and many other decentralized exchanges are built atop the Ethereum blockchain. Any tokens traded there must be on the Ethereum blockchain too. That means no Bitcoin and a lot of other popular tokens from competing blockchains. In fact, that technically means no ETH. Users must instead convert their ETH to wrapped Ether, or WETH, which is the equal price to Ethereum, so they can trade it. There's also no customer service. So centralized exchanges work kind of like banks. They have customers who mostly want to keep happy, but in a truly decentralized exchange, there is no actor on the other end. The developers who created the protocol don't have the same relationship with users. While there are whole communities of decentralized exchanges users, you're responsible for your own money. So it's your choice. Decentralized exchanges generally try to embrace blockchain's ethos of trustlessness and privacy. Your tokens remain in your possession until you trade them, so people find that reassuring from a security perspective. For others, that level of responsibility is intimidating and the risks are concerning. So guys, there you have it. That is basically everything you need to know about decentralized exchanges. Again, like I said, they are becoming very popular because of all of the regulatory uncertainty that we have been having lately. However, it is completely up to you whether or not you would like to use them. Of course, they can be seen as complex. However, on the plus side, they are very, very secure as well. So it is completely your choice. If you have liked the video, please make sure you are leaving a like down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already as well, and ensure your bell icon is hit so you are notified every time we upload a video. And that is going to cover it for today's guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you very soon. Take it easy.